Let's talk about the elephant in the room, equipment. I know a lot of you are interested in equipment, and that's why we've created this section to help you determine what equipment you should buy or use for your video production. It's one of the most popular requests we get from students. What camera to buy, what microphone to use, what type of lighting should they get. But we're gonna be honest throughout this entire section and this course that making a great video doesn't come down to buying camera X, Y, or Z. Technology is changing all of the time. New camera models are coming out every year, so it's hard to make an all-encompassing list of what specific camera we recommend. At the core, you need a camera that can shoot video. Hopefully that camera can record audio as well, and maybe you need an external microphone to record better audio. You need some type of lighting, but this can come free from the sun. And some editing equipment to allow you to put together your video, and this can also be free. In the next few lessons, we're going to be going through each thing individually, talking about camera choices, microphone options, lighting, and post-production applications that we use and recommend. So if you're really interested in equipment and you want to know what we recommend, continue with the rest of the lessons in this section. If you don't really care about the equipment and just want to get straight to the video making process, skip on to the next section.